Aji samla pola khuboti Konyak Union KU Khantu Saturday ja kalibra re-FM kurgina Nagaland State Government Khanbra Lok Sabha seat karni preparation rakhilu ase holipi pasta resolution pass kurdigina general election ti voting restriction kurbole jonai dia ase release te Konyak Union Khan re-FM kurgina jonai thagatu February 23 tarik Chinmoho Bosti Resolution Apex Civil Organization of 6 Eastern District Khanbra Fesla Kurla Opoti ko ase aro resolution ti region laga government employees Khantu election duty jabole parbo holipi condition of no ballot paper of voting to be cast no election campaign of any political party no flag no pamphlets and no banner of any political no polling agent aro counting agent krubole naparibo koi dia ase aro resolution ti Konyak unit student body women organization aro village council Khantu strictly resolution pass kurgena thake sabti power digena follow up kurlobole koi dia ase aro public meeting ENLU milaina 28 of March program kuri ase aro meeting te outcome ki kurlobo itu hesabti ENPO Khantu alak step logena detail fesla kurlobole program kurloi ase dikhanbra ja trusted din Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Thor logena money laundering cases karni arrest kurlogena jail pathai dia Chief Minister continue kurbole parbonna nai kogena debate ja thaka opoti aji Chief Minister jail phitorti first order issue kri digena order ti national capital water supply related te godisha aro order ti Delhi Minister Atishi ta laga board follow handle kri thaka opor address kudisha ko ase debate ja thaka opoti Aam Aadmi Party Khanbra clear kri thaka sabti ki laga situation ti holipi Arvind Brahi Chief Minister post hol kurgena government chuli thakibole koi dia ase aro former law officer of Delhi Tihar Jail laga statement ti inmate to jail manual hesabti duibar haptati family and friends khan ke look kurbole parbo itu karni jail phitorba government chulibole digdar hobo koi dia ase holipi ekta condition ti house arrest rakhi digena chief ministership continue kurbole parbo holipi lieutenant governor Varnal Kumar Saxena laga approval lobole lakibo koina clear kri dia ase Congress leader Ajay Sharma hinted kri thaka sabti itubar Lok Sabha election ti Bollywood actor Neha Sharma tu politics te entry kurlobo nishna ase kogina Neha Sharma baba koi dia ase Congress leader Ajay Sharma laga statement ti itubar Congress Khanbra Bakalpur ti party seat sharing arrangement alliance pashe kuli ta laga daudur Neha Sharma nominate kurlogina Lok Sabha fight kurbo aro chidi lobo kogina hindet kri dia ase aro Ajay Sharma pi ko ase ki itubar Indian alliance ti BJP Khan Bihar State bra hatai lobo aro Bihar State Khan bra responsible logina Modi government hatai lobo aro power te ahi jabo koi dia ase itu karni ek dui din majeti seat laga issue fesla kurlogina final kurlobo aro kamsop kri lobo kogina jonai dia ase Cross City Hall terrorist attack oporte investigative agency khan report di thaka sabti biya bra jokhum kurdia khan murija milaigina 133 jon murija she aro manu bishi jokhum kurdi shekogena committee khan release kurdia ase hatsa oporte Russia President Vladimir Putin nation addressing ti bloodly terrorist khan 11 accused 4 jon directly hatsa te involved kugena thaka milaigina thori loisha aro Ukraine border area te modop logena polabole khoshish ku thaka tamti thori loisha aro hatsa oporti detail investigate kri thaka country manukhan ki jonai dia ase